Okay, guys, so we are back, and now what are we doing?
We're going to add the rice. We're going to add this stock concentrate. We're going to go with some butter and some water.
This butter.
Yep. All right, so first things first, we're going to get this rice in, which just came off the oven. This is the rice we started with. Cooked for 18 minutes. And now it goes into a pan.
Yep. And Dada, can I mix
Yes,
it?
we're going to, excuse
Or
me,
I guess you will.
we're going to add the stock concentrate and 1 tablespoon of butter. Like that. The stock concentrate is here.
That looks really good.
And then our water. Now we mix it around. Go ahead.
You can hear that sizzle.
Not too shabby. Make sure you spread everything. You're getting a little crazy with that spatula. That's a really good start.
Now we switch.
So the trick is just take things from the outside and kind of move it to the middle.
Yep. And you can see all the rice kind of changing color.
Yep.
It went to white to now like a tannish color.
Yep. That's what I know. And so now I'm using the back of the spatula to make it
Flat.
all flat. Yep.
And you can see those little green bits are the peppers we chopped up earlier.
All right, and so you want to hear the cool thing? We
Yes.
just have really one more step. All
What?
we're going to do is we're going to top this with
Some
the
cheese.
cheese.
Can I do that part? I love that part.
You want to spread the cheese?
Yes. Here, I could probably set you up right here, and then my dad doesn't have to hold it. Yeah, that'll work.
I think it will.
But it might fall forward and break something. But you can.
Okay, so you spread this evenly. So all parts of this, do not touch the pan at all.
So we're just taking the cheese and spreading it evenly, like my
Watch
dad
your
said.
hand.
Yes, very important step. Watching hands.
I would stand on this and stand over it.
And the extras will go to me, obviously.
We're going to use every piece of that cheese.
Well, if there's a little crumbs, then
There
that would
shouldn't
go to
be.
me.
If there is, you're fired. Watch what you're doing.
Sprinkle, sprinkle,
How
sprinkle.
much more do you have?
A lot.
Yeah, go faster. Bigger chunks, bigger handful. But do it over, so if you drop it, it drops into the thing. So still, hold it over here. Still hold it over, yep. All right. Good, all right. Now, our oven is broiling, which means the heat is coming down from the top. And we're going to open this and step away, okay? Then we're gonna put it in here very carefully. We're gonna put that in for 2 minutes.